customer bring to us broken a 32, and it was time to install a new aftermarket screen. So we proceeded dismantling the phone. After removing back cover, we began to remove screws. After it was done, we have to remove the middle frame very carefully, and finally revealed what was inside. Now there was time to swap parts to new screen. Once we were done, we put back all screws together and applied some glue for back cover, and we installed the cover back. And finally, it was time to boot up. After completing the sensor test, phone was ready and returned to a customer.